Manipur Khongchat CHURCHANDPUR CHATTUNA LUPA CRORE LISING TARET CHAHUM GI SENPHAM OIGADABA TONGANBA infrastructure project KAYAGI foundation stone YUNGLABA MATUNG KANGLADA LAKTUNA IDP sing UNNABA AMADI LUPA CRORE LISING TARANITHOI GI SENPHAM OIGADABA CHAOKHAT Thouranggi Thabak KAYA PATKHATLAMGANI HAINA Chief Secretary PUNEET KUMAR GOEL na PHONGDORAKLI wafam asing ngasi all secretariat ki conference hall da pangthokhiba pawngi mifam amada mahakna phongdokhibani mahakna makha taraduna Prime Minister Narendra Modi ki Khongchat asi Aizol dagi Manipur tamna lakani amadi numit yung matung pung 12:35 chatpa matamda CHURCHANDPUR da thungani madugi matung IDP sing unagani amadi LUPA CRORE LISING TARET CHAHUM gi SENPHAM oigadawa tongan ba infrastructure project KAYAGI foundation stone yunglaba matung miyamda basan piramgani hairi amadi masigi matung tarakpada nungthil pung 2:30 rom tarakpa matamda Imphali Kanglada thunglaba loinana IDP sing unagani amadi CRORE LISING TARANITHOI gi oigadaba tongan ba development project kaya sangaramgani masiga loinana Manipur asi border state ama oiba khaknatana India gi Act East policy gi central pillar ama oiba khaknatana Southeast Asia gi gateway amasu oiri asigum dablab lamdam masida santi hanjilakpa haibasi hingsa gi thabak thok tabak khaknatana laiminari ba miyam gi marakta nungshiba amadi thazaba lehenba mathau tai maram asina Prime Minister gi Khongchat asina lamdam masida santi hanjan handuna hena chaukhatpa puraknaba Khongchat amani haina su phongdokhiba loinana lamdam masigi miyam punna Prime Minister Narendra Modi pu taramna okminasi haiba wafam sing su phongdokhi
Manipur is not just a border state but a central pillar of India's Act East policy, a gateway to the Southeast Asia and a proud guardian of India's diversity. Peace is not only the absence of violence but also the presence of trust, harmony and reconciliation. Thus the visit of Honorable Prime Minister to the state will pave way for peace, normalcy and accelerated growth in the state and first interact with some of the IDPs in the valley area. The Honorable Prime Minister will be inaugurating various development projects within and outside the state belonging to Manipur. The Honorable Prime Minister will address the public gathering. The total projects for which foundation stones are being put are totaling to rupees 7,300 crore and the projects which are being inaugurated are worth total rupees 1,200 crore. Such initiatives underscore the Honorable Prime Minister's continued commitment and dedication for the development and welfare of the state. Thus, I, on behalf of the Government of Manipur and Government of India,